Hello, this short video is just to make sure that you can find your daily agenda. And to do that, you're going to, once you log in, you're going to see these are your classes. And you're just going to find the agenda of the class that you want to look at right then. And just click right here on the words of the class. And when you do that, it brings up the agenda. Now, don't worry about this person. If you see they have 15 overdue activities, this is just really an account that we have created here at school so that we can see what students are looking at. So you probably don't have this many overdue activities, but if you do, that's okay too, because remember, this is a daily agenda. It's a calendar to keep you on track. So there is actually no assignment that's ever going to be considered quote unquote late, but this agenda you do want to pay attention to because it does help keep you on pace. Because if you get too far behind in a class, that just means you are going to have to work extra hard to get caught up. So there's no actual deadline or late assignments with Edgenuity in your online class like there is if you were at school and had assignments listed in Canvas. The agenda and the calendar is just to keep you on pace so that by the end of the semester you aren't way behind. So we don't want that happening. So this is how you would find your calendar. And so in order to see what's coming for the month and even later in the class, you can just scroll down right here. And so the assignment that we have been talking about these last couple days through emails about the geography assignment that you needed to do with a map comes here when you get to this unit, which is geography of the nation and the world. And as you scroll down in this, you're going to see that assignment pop up right here. Originally, if scheduled, if you had started your class on September 1st, then it would have been scheduled for September 9th. Now that doesn't mean that if you don't have it done by the 9th, then it's going to be considered late. It's not. Like I said, this is just an agenda to keep you on pace. So that's how you find your calendar, and you won't be able to click into the next activity until you've completed the activity that's highlighted, because this is the step right here that this person, if it was a real person taking the class, that they would be on. And so this fictional person hasn't done anything yet. They're on the very first step of the class. So hopefully that helps you. And good luck to you. Make sure that you are emailing us with any questions, and we'll be happy to help. There's me, there's Mrs. Cook for math. I'm gonna, of course, help you with science and pacing and any other questions that you have. But if you have a math question, direct those to Mrs. Cook. If you have an ELA question, direct those to Mrs. Crane. And then we've also added Mrs. Moore as a teacher for ELA with questions if you want to contact her. And then anything with social studies or science, just direct towards me. And then I will, if it's a social studies question, make sure to confer with Mrs. Cardenzana and Mr. Huddleston before I get back with an answer for you. Good luck.